Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a genie look inspired by Aladdin and kind of like the genie culture. There's been a lot of books coming out about genies, and I'm very interested in the synopsises of all of them. The synopsi, I don't know what the plural of synopsis is, but it has been just grabbing me and I want to read them all. So here we have a genie look. If you guys like what you see so far, make sure you subscribe so you can see all of my tutorials, and make sure you like this video before you go and leave me a comment letting me know that you liked it. Okay, so before we get started, let me just explain what I have going on. I have my base down and my eyebrows done. I did do a bit of different shape. I kind of filled them in a little bit thicker at the tops and bottoms to give them more of like a squared shape, and I think it's kind of framing my face really nice. So this might be like my new typical brow shape, but I did make a nice thicker tail just to give it more of like a strong edge. So we are going to go into eyes now, and initially this was going to be like a purple and pink look, but I've done a lot of purple and pink. So I had this red tank top, and I thought about Jasmine when she is like Jafar's slave when she's under mind control. So that is the look we're going for today. So it's gonna be a lot of like rusty oranges and brown and like bright fiery red. So, and I have some like gold in there too, because she has like gold jewelry. Like I have my gold headband. I'm gonna pop on some gold accessories. But anyway, I'm gonna get started with a ColourPop shadow, and this is Elixir, and it is kind of like a, I don't know, it's not like a mahogany, it's like a orangey brown. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and put this in the crease. Hopefully you can kind of see it is like more orangey on my skin just because I'm lighter skinned. But if you have darker skin, it's going to really bring out like the browns, the olive tones, and create a very pretty color all over your skin. So I'm just going to give this a nice little winged out edge because we are going to do some dramatic liner with this as well. But I love these ColourPop shadows because you can just build so much color so quickly. Like my crease is blended and beautiful, and it only took like a couple swipes, like no editing, no speeding it up. So now on the inner corner for the lid, I'm going to take this color called Erotic, and it's this very fiery red orange, and it has some gold fleck in it, which I think is just beautiful. And we're gonna pack this in on the inner half of the lid. Glitter really just brings out that like magical feel. This looks like pixie dust, like it's so fine, and really the reflect on it just really makes me think of the scene in Aladdin, because they're just like, the room is filled with gold and treasure and all of that. So I mean, you could even do this as like a couple's costume if you wanted to go as like Jasmine in the red, and then like someone could go as Jafar when he's like the red genie. Now just taking the other side of the same brush, I'm going into this color called White Rabbit, and it is more of like a coppery shimmer color. So we're gonna put this on the other half of the lid. I'm gonna go in with Stila Kitten. This is obviously like an iconic shadow. It's a champagne shimmery pink, and this is what is going to highlight our brow bone. Mine is like shattered and repressed, so it's like all over the place. But we're gonna put this on the brow bone so it's nice and shimmery, and also just kind of blend, use it to blend that edge there. So 2 big cat eyeliners on, and then I have a pair of velour lashes in the Would I Lie. These are the Effortless lashes. And now, before we go any further, I am going to contour with this dark liquid contour. This is from the NYX Duo in shade 04, and it is shade Cinnamon. So I did my contour and I threw on the nails for this look, which are these purple ones with like little kind of starburst sparkle sort of things, and then put on this gold like cuff that I had. So now I am going to put on some gems. These are the gold, silver, and black ones from Wet n Wild, and we're gonna put one right here and then a few on the outside. Finishing off the face, I am going to bronze with this NYX bronzer and my Morphe M143 brush, just to not only set the contour we have going on, but soften it up a bit and make it look a bit more natural. I'm going to use this Revlon bronzing brick to add a little blush. I'm kind of focusing on the top colors. And then I'm going to highlight with a bit of Mary Luminizer. And the last step of this look, of course, is a nice shiny metallic lip, and I am using the Ardell Metallic Lip Cream in Hot Thing. Alright, and this is the completed Genie look. Very Jasmine in the ending scenes of Aladdin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you want to see for 31 Days of Halloween, and I will see you in the next one.